Hey guys, that.
Hi guys.
Hey, we had that part. Like, you gotta wait till she like.
Cheese so many times.
No, you can't. They could do. Like,
Look,
I was gonna get there, but maybe too small.
we need batteries.
I think so. They will get it.
Got my other SD card. It has instructions.
Dang, why is it you can't make?
Good.
Oh my God, is it really mine? They got replaced.
Hey guys, it is 6:58. It is Monday. I have been having a headache since I woke up this morning, but thankfully the girls already had dinner by now and they are asleep in bed. It's still bright outside, so I'm just relaxing in the living room before I clean the house up. I ate a bowl of pho. This made me feel better with 2 bottles of water. And then I just poured me a cup of ginger ale to see if that will help. So yeah. I'm waiting on Brian to get home from the gym. So I'm gonna clean up in a bit. About to get some roti. Microwave it. I got my curry potato.
Sounds like you're all boo-boo busters.
Oh, Big Bird, do you have a boo-boo?
How'd you guess?
Yeah. What happened? You scraped your bee. What? The boo-boo busters are here to Big Bird's farm. Here we go.
Oh, it's cold? Is that a good thing?
Definitely.
Oh, good.
I don't know.
Birdies, colorful rainbows. Who needs boo-boo bandages? I do. The cover. Oh, my boo-boo feels.
Hooray, let's get Big Bird boo-boo a big kiss.
What do you mean, your mom?
Boo-boo Buster, what?
Da-da-da-da, boo-boo. Da-da-da-da, honey.
Now we have to clean your butt. The boo-boo busters to fit his boo-boo. But we have to clean his boo-boo so they can get better.
Cookie Monster. Okay. Look for the crumb. Don't.
No worry, the crumb never get by me. We have to check to see if you, the crumb, me, yeah, you.
The track is covered in ice.
Somebody catch me.
Hey guys, that.
Hi guys.
Hey guys, I just got out the shower and it is, what time is it?
Yay!
It is 12:57. You're supposed to be in bed by now. It's 12:57, and I just got out the shower. Me and Luna are about to go in the room and lay down. Hey guys, the kids and Brian are in bed, and I am about to clean up the house a little bit. So, yeah, I did my makeup. How does it look? And it's Thursday night. Tomorrow's Friday, thank God. So yeah, cheers to the weekend. Alright y'all, I am about to change out my SD card because my camera is on like, hold on. My camera has like, but my SIM card about to go out basically. So I'm just gonna take it out. I need to go put it in the old case. And boom. I'm going to switch the cameras in 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, I'm back on my camera. I was recording on my phone. So I have the iPhone 15. No. Yeah, I have the iPhone 15 Pro Max. That's what I have. Anyways, are we liking the hair? Are we liking the makeup? Don't talk about my concealer. I know it's too light. Don't come for me, please. In all honesty, I'm not cleaning the kitchen tonight, but I will straighten up everything around it. So tomorrow, all I have to do is the dishes. So right now, I'm just bringing everything that needs to be inside the kitchen, in the kitchen. Anything that needs to be inside the restroom, I'm putting in the restroom. Any food that needs to be put away, I put it away. And then literally all I have to do is the dishes. Venus is wanting for a bottle, so we're gonna make her a little 6-ounce bottle. God, where did the time go today? Kitchen is closed for the night. I'm out the shower. Time to get dressed in 3, 2, 1. I have on my Eraserhead shirt. I'm recording on my phone because my camera died. So I have on my Eraserhead sweatshirt or graphic tee with Brian's polo pajama pants and my Gojo. You can't see it. My Gojo socks that Taylor got. Hey guys, happy Friday night. I'm cooking right now. I'm making some ribs. We just made some mac and cheese. Babe, what else we making with it? What we doing, asparagus or salad? With asparagus on the side. Okay guys, so I'm about to get in the shower and I got some new skincare stuff. It's called The Ordinary, the acne kit. And I got it off a TikTok shop and I've been wanting to try their brand. We're gonna start off with the facial cleanser. And don't talk about my short hair, y'all. I cut my hair back in September 10 months ago. So my face feels all tingly. I have really sensitive skin, so I'm really testing this out to see how it does against my skin. Let's read it out. This is how it looks. Also, on my if you're wondering what happened to my cheek, don't worry about it. I was trying to do a natural blush kind of look because I saw a video on TikTok and it kind of just steered me in the wrong path because now I got a bruise on my cheek. Okay guys, last step is my natural moisturizing factors. So I'm just gonna, this always says that this needs to be the last step. If you do purchase this kit, this needs to be your last step, which is the moisturizer. After you tone your face, use the oil And it says apply a small amount and do this in the morning and the evening. I've applied it.
Augie, I'm sorry, but you're not the only one who has bad days. Bad days?
Alright, y'all, for to open my new headphones.
They can't really hear you that good. You probably got
I know.
You could use your iPhone charger too.
They come with different size. You need to put a band-aid on your finger.
Okay.
Hey my lovelies, that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure you go to my page and hit more videos to watch. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.